So here's an idea for a new series. I'm going to call it, I saw a really cool tutorial on YouTube this morning. And so I went over to ChatGPT and asked it a whole bunch of questions. And it told me to download a bunch of things. And I did, only to find out 5 hours later that I don't have all the right equipment that I need to do this really cool thing that I saw. So let's see. I typed out some example titles that I'm going to call my new series. First one is called Almost a Tutorial, because it felt like one until it betrayed me halfway through. How about It Looked So Easy Until It Wasn't? I watched a tutorial so you don't have to. Spoiler, I had to Google everything anyway. A DIY with a side of regret. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see. Tutorial Trauma Recovery Series. Step 1, scream. Step 2, cry. Step 3, call ChatGPT. Yeah, that's about it. And let's see, what's my thumbnail? I have this all worked out. I was so frustrated. My thumbnail is gonna stretch out across the whole screen. I don't think it's gonna show up on mobile apps though. It's gonna be saw a cool tutorial. No one explained anything. Asked ChatGPT, followed along, and then found out I don't even own the equipment. Cool. I don't think it's gonna fit. I don't think it's gonna show up on mobile. Seriously though, I don't know. I watched the trendy tutorial, I followed along, and it didn't work. And they never tell you everything. They never do. Just click this, record that, add your cute little picture in the corner, boom, you're a tutorial god. Meanwhile, I'm over here like, I've opened 3 apps. OBS is eating itself and my face is missing. Literally, that happened. There was like picture on this OBS app thing. Only to find out that I need like a whole nother screen if I'm gonna run it like this. There's ways around it that I can do it, yes, and I've done picture before, but I just thought that this was an easy way to do it. There's never anything easy. And here's something that ChatGPT told me in the end. When I asked, why don't they tell you all the information you need? Why don't they give you all the information you need? Because they already have the fancy setup. They already have it. They have the dual monitors. They have the capture cards, the paid apps. They're working with stuff that looks like the cockpit of a NASA simulator. And they're saying, you can totally do this. It's so easy. What I found out is that they didn't do it live. They made it look like it was live, picture. But in reality, they recorded the screen, recorded their face separately, and then edited all together in Final Cut Pro, which is what I did exactly before. I've done this before with my brain health tutorial on how to summarize a long video. I did the exact same thing, and I thought I was just being old and taking unnecessary steps, but just come to find out those are the steps I need to take. I mean, I get it. They want it to seem like it's effortless. I get it, yeah. Because nothing kills a YouTube stream like step 1, suffer through 45 minutes of OBS setup. Yeah. That was terrible. And the thing is, when I first set it up this morning, it was so easy. And ChatGPT warned me that it was going to be really difficult. And once I downloaded the OBS app or whatever it is and started to set it up, I typed into ChatGPT, wow, that was really easy. I must have done something wrong. Only to find out later on that I really didn't do anything wrong. I just didn't have all the equipment I needed. That I didn't find out until 5 hours later. So yeah, the truth that they don't say in the tutorials is that, hey, if you want to do real-time picture-in-picture recording with your face and your screen, you're going to need OBS, a working camera, a decent mic, and willingness to suffer. Also, you cannot watch picture-in-picture live inside of OBS without infinite mirror-in-mirror nightmare. Sorry. So I think the title of this is going to be, I've opened 3 apps, OBS is eating itself, and my face is missing. It's a modern tutorial tragedy in 3 acts. It really happened.